So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to pin messages on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now you can see the option of inbox, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now this is your inbox of TikTok, and choose a profile which you want to pin. So I'm tapping on my second conversation. Just tap on it until you will see the option of those, and you can tap on pin icon, which is first option. Now see, your message has been pinned successfully on the TikTok, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.